to the beach, going to the beach.
All right, Elmo, you ready to go to the beach?
Oh, dear. Okay. There. Oh. Does it still hurt?
A little.
Oh, come back in. Comfort and love can help kids through the most difficult of times, or just the everyday ups and downs. Better?
Better.
Okay. Come on, you want to go to the beach now?
Oh, yeah, but Elmo wants to do something else first.
What's that? Does it still hurt?
No, but Elmo loves hugs.
Oh, well, so do I, son.
Yeah.
So do I.